everyone, thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm MIix and this is my channel. This is going to be a what I eat in a day video. Just wanted to give you guys some plant-based inspiration, show you what I'm eating for today. I also partnered with an awesome company and I cannot wait to tell you guys about them. So let's hop right into it. So for breakfast, I've really been enjoying homemade cereal. Well, kind of, because I don't buy store-bought cereal brands. I haven't had cereal in years, but I was craving some, so my favorite way to make it is using granola. So I got this big bag of pumpkin seed granola from Costco, and it's pumpkin plus flaxseed, has whole grain oats in it, brown rice flour, just a lot of healthy, hearty stuff, and I've been really enjoying it. I just toss in some blueberries, bananas, whatever fruit that I like or that I want at the moment, and I add in some non-dairy milk, and there you have it, the most perfect, healthy, and delicious cereal bowl. The touch of cinnamon is so good in this. It's so simple, but it's delicious. I prefer this over store-bought cereal. Most of it's filled with sugar anyway. If you want to start making this, I definitely recommend using vanilla almond milk. After my cereal, I normally make a smoothie. I'm adding some water, some frozen banana, frozen spinach, frozen berries, frozen peaches, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Cmos Gel. This is the company that I'm partnered with, Herbal Vineyards, and I'm going to tell you more about them after I'm finished making my smoothie. Okay, now that my smoothie is finished, I can talk to you about Herbal Vineyards, who I'm partnered with. So Herbal Vineyards is a company that sells seamoss. They sell Cmos Gel and natural seamoss in its raw form, in case you just want to make your own. I absolutely love this stuff. They sent me the Cmos Gel. I didn't open this one yet. I'm actually going to put this one in the freezer because you can freeze these. In the refrigerator, it lasts like 3 to 4 weeks, and in the freezer, I believe it lasts 3 to 4 months. So while I'm using this one, as you can see, I have been using it. This one's purple, the other one's the natural seamoss color. They all have the same amount of benefits. You know, it doesn't matter which color it is. It's not anything different. It's the same. Just different colors of seamoss out there. And they also sell the capsules. Well, these are so good. First off, if you don't know what seamoss is, please research it. It has 92 of the 110 minerals that our bodies are made of. That should just tell you how healthy it is. And there's so many benefits that come from it. It can help with your skin, your digestion, thyroid issues. And I've watched lots of videos on seamoss and people that have been using it for a long time. And the things they say is just crazy to me. Like the benefits that comes with it with just taking this one thing, this one superfood. Trust me, just research seamoss if you don't know what it is. But you have to be careful because there's a lot of fake seamosses out there, and that's why I'm so happy this company reached out to me, because I was putting seamoss in my smoothie and I found out that the seamoss that I was actually using wasn't as natural as I thought it was. Herbal Vineyards is 100% organic, wild crafted, from the source, nothing artificial about it. It's 100% natural, so it is something you can trust. And I'm so happy that they make Cmos Gel. I normally buy the Cmos myself and make my own gel, but it's really convenient that they have the gel made for you if you prefer it that way, because some people just don't want to have to clean it and go through the process of making a Cmos Gel. You can't taste it at all. It's completely tasteless. So when you put it in your smoothies, it doesn't like give it a nasty taste or anything or mess your smoothies up. It's just simply adding vitamins and minerals and making your smoothies just more nutritious than what it already was. So if you'd like to purchase anything from Herbal Vineyards, which I highly recommend, then click my affiliate link down in the description box and you'll get a 10% off discount. I was really amazed at how many different ways people use seamoss. I just put it in my smoothie, but when I checked the website out, it came with this code, a QR code. Yeah. It came with this code. You just scan it once you order something from them, and it gives you a ton of information on how to use seamoss and recipes. They have ice cream recipes for seamoss, soups, guacamole. It's just crazy, and I see why a lot of people use it, because it's so good for your body and it doesn't taste like anything, so it's not going to mess up anything that you're making. Buy yourself some seamoss, trust me. Okay, I will see you guys at lunch. For lunch, I had a Buddha bowl, some quinoa, black beans, roasted broccoli, and some salad with a balsamic dressing. for the quinoa, I'm just making it my usual way. I'm adding in 1 packet of saison, letting that cook down. And for my roasted broccoli, I'm just adding some salt and pepper and some 21 Salute seasoning, which is like Mrs. Dash. The dressing, I'm adding 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, a 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Very easy and delicious. Now I'm just adding some salad, my quinoa, some black beans, my broccoli, and drizzling my dressing over it. For dinner, I decided to make some Impossible meatloaf. I'm using 1 packet of the Impossible meat. For the meatloaf, I'm adding in some sea salt, garlic and onion powder, paprika, vegan Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, 1 flax egg, some nutritional yeast, breadcrumbs, some 21 Salute, which is like a Mrs. Dash, and some peppers and onions. Glaze, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. And I just spread that over the meatloaf. And I baked it at 425 to 30 minutes. And I actually made extra glaze. And once it was done baking, I put a little bit more on top and let it bake for another 5 minutes. I made myself some mashed potatoes, just Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, non-dairy milk. Use my immersion blender. And this meatloaf was absolutely delicious, I'm telling you, so good. I ate it with some mashed potatoes and leftover corn. Definitely give it a try, it was mind-blowing. Well, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.